Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
I'm Dave.
He's my kitchen helper tonight. And I'm getting ready to make a banana bisque. But before I can make that, I need to make my topping. And I'm going to do that using my Thrive Life freeze-dried strawberries.
Okay, wait. You're going to put that in a topping? Like, grind it up? I mean, it's...
I'm going to add some ingredients. And it's going to be really good. I just know it's going to be good.
Shouldn't you use fresh strawberries?
I could use fresh strawberries, but strawberries go bad, and these don't. They're here on hand whenever I want them.
That's awesome.
I think so.
So you're going to hydrate those.
Yep.
And then you're going to make... This sounds like a great video, y'all.
So don't go away. We'll be right back, and I'll show you how to make the topping for the bisque. Well, before I do anything, first of all, I've got a pound cake in the oven, or I should say a pound loaf in the oven, just a plain old vanilla one. I have my bananas sliced and frozen in the freezer, and now I'm going to use my Thrive Life freeze-dried strawberries to make one of the sauces. So I have taken a half cup of the dehydrated strawberries and a little bit of water, and I'm going to put them into my food processor.
Those are Thrive Life?
This is Thrive Life.
Those are freeze-dried?
These are the freeze-dried Thrive Life strawberries.
They don't look freeze-dried.
Well, not now, of course, because I've had them sitting in a little bit of water just to, get them rehydrated a little bit.
That's awesome. I didn't expect them to look like real strawberries when you got through.
Well. I'm going to put in a half cup heavy whipping cream. You want to put the lid on that?
Absolutely. I'm here to help, darling.
I'll put in a half cup of half and half.
If I can figure out how to put a lid on. There we go. I'm a good helper. I guess I could have opened that for you.
That's okay. Yeah, Walmart did not have the small things of half and half, so I figured, I'm in a cookie mood. So we'll do a half cup of the half and half.
Just a half cup.
Just a half cup.
So, just get rid of the rest of this?
No. I'm going to use that in some other things. And then I want 3 tablespoons powdered sugar. And it doesn't have to be exact.
I was going to ask that. Maybe I'll be able to do this if it doesn't have to be exact. I usually fudge a little bit on my ingredients.
But I am trying to get close. And the neat thing is, Thrive Life has these in blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, peaches, apples, 2 kinds of apples, pineapple. Yeah.
Dry.
The freeze-dried apples are really good just to eat as a snack. So, the grapes, the red grapes are wonderful just to eat as a snack. Pineapple, coconut. So this can go over here. And that's all we have to it. Now, just to push the button.
Push the button. Push the button.
Yes.
So really, you can actually use the Thrive Life single ingredient cans for making other things. These are like ingredients for cooking. And what are we making today anyway?
Well, I found this recipe for a banana bisque, and it had a fruit swirl to go in the top. And I bought some fresh raspberries because that's actually what the recipe called for. But then I got to thinking, why not have some of, the different flavors?
Sounds good.
So, while I'm waiting. And of course I could add some food coloring if I wanted to make it more of a color. You know what, I think I may process it just a little bit more. Especially with that whipping cream, let it really get in there. Make it fluffy.
There she goes, mixing stuff again. Press the button, press the button.
Gotta press the button.
And what's really neat with this is we are now Thrive Life consultants.
Yes, we are.
So not only do we get great products, but we actually get them at a little bit better discount.
Yes.
And
we're here to sell them to you.
We're here to sell them to you. Or we could sign up other consultants and help them
build a little business and be able to get the products at a bit of a better price.
Absolutely. You know what I really love?
What's that?
Is the fact that if you sign up for the delivery service, which is a monthly thing,
yeah.
Every month you can go in and choose different stuff to put in your delivery service, or you can even, pause it for a month or, cancel it.
And if you have over $100, you get free shipping.
Free shipping. That's my favorite.
I like free shipping.
She's pressing the button again.
Yes, I am. I like to push buttons.
Oh, she's good at pushing buttons. Now, I actually thought she passed that on to our children, but no, we've just got a whole lot of button pushers in the house.
Okay. Let's see what it looks like now.
It's all fluffy.
Oh, yeah, it is. Ooh. Oh, yeah, and it's nice. It's a nice thickness.
Say, it's so thick. It's like, wow, can I just... Look at that.
Oh, that's going to be so good.
That is so thick.
We could put this on our ice cream.
Ooh.
Or with cakes.
Hey.
Oh, yeah, and that pound cake that I'm cooking is actually to make croutons for the cold soup. Yeah, it's going to be a cinnamon and sugar pound cake croutons. So we're going to have our banana soup with a fruit swirl in it, and then cinnamon sugar croutons. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks good.
So is all this really, really healthy?
Yes.
Oh, well, good.
I mean,
healthy.
Granted, there's heavy whipping cream, and there's the half and half. And,
but those don't count, right?
And a little bit of powdered sugar, but everything else, you've got fruit. So if you're going to have a dessert, my opinion, we've got our dairy. Yeah, okay, there's a little bit of fat, but we do need a little bit of fat anyway.
It's supposed to help with the brain.
That's what they say, and joints.
I'm good though. Well, the joints, I've got
the joints you may
the brain
need some
stuff.
help.
I'm good on.
And then I've got this made up. The pound cake still has to finish, and then it's got to cool. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Are your hands clean?
Hang on, I'll lick them real quick.
Nah. Take a taste.
I mean, oh, I wish I'd gotten more on my finger. I couldn't taste it. It's good. Very, very strong strawberry flavor to it.
And I didn't have to worry about going and buying the strawberries and then having them go bad, which happened just a few days ago. They got moldy fast.
It was like we had them a little over 24 hours and they were already starting to
They were
go
gone.
bad.
Yeah, they were gone.
And the second day it was just a full coating of mold. And it's like, okay.
I had, yeah. But
So
guess what? This, yeah.
Unopened, 25-year shelf life.
And once you open it, it's what, 8 months?
It varies, but I think they said no more than a year after you open it.
I have a feeling, though, honey, we're not going to We're going to need another
No.
one of those before too much
No,
longer.
because you know what I can do with this? If I've got a hankering for some strawberries, but I don't really want to fix any strawberries,
Oh,
there I go.
You
I'm
know,
having strawberry chips.
here's an idea.
Mmm.
Let's try it in some vanilla icing on a cake.
Oh, you mean like put them on the icing?
No.
Mix it into that.
Yes. Grind them up and put them into the icing.
Ooh, make like a powdered strawberry.
And make strawberry
Oh.
icing.
You're so smart. I bet we could do that with anything. We could put sweet corn in our icing.
We could.
No,
We could.
Probably shouldn't.
Tell you what, I know you like green peas. I'll make that special for your birthday. You can have green pea cake with green pea icing. But meanwhile, I didn't get a taste.
I'll take the strawberries.
Oh, that's going to be so good with the bananas.
Oh, wait until you do the grapes.
All right. Now what I think I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do the same thing with the Thrive Life freeze-dried blueberries. And that way I can have some fresh raspberries, the strawberries, the blueberries, and we can kind of mix and match and see what we like. Yeah?
Sounds good. What are we doing this on?
We're going to do this on a banana bisque.
Oh, you've already said that.
It's going to be a banana bisque,
What is a banana bisque?
banana soup.
Banana soup?
Banana soup. The recipe that I got it said it was for like a hot summer day dinner, and I was thinking, no, that's not dinner, that's dessert.
That sounds like dessert.
Yummy dessert. But we're gonna put this in the fridge. I'm gonna clean everything up. Try it again with the blueberries. I wish I had the blackberries. I love cats, don't you? They found a box and they're just having the greatest time with it. Anyway,
It's not a box, it's a cat trap.
I'm wishing I had some of the peaches and the blackberries. Love blackberry. Like blackberry cobbler and stuff. I'm wishing I had some more different fruits to try this with. Because I really think like the blackberry has such a strong flavor that would really bring out
Well,
the bananas.
maybe we should place an order.
I think we should. I'd like those, please.
So,
Thank you.
all I need to do is go to CrazyDavesCrew.ThriveLife.com.
I believe that's correct.
There you
And
go.
if you didn't get it, the link is down below. I'll be back in another video showing you the banana bisque. But meanwhile, don't forget Thrive Life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. And don't forget to come back. Look forward to seeing you again right here on Crazy Dave's Crew.
She said everything I was going to say, so I guess we're done.
Now you can say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice evening. We will.